So bhfuil arc ag
Lively
gach
town.
áte
Quite a lot
said.
to see here.
Na mis sin díach an cúm sin áin leis I phríomh scéalach íbhar. Chris the Catalyst féinach go bhfuil fisagad I gceime the Bard's Tale a céad. Ha! Ha mí eolach ir, ha neomíad a chluich a cha míad éisteach rís I cheol. Or ha fiad ceol Gaelic iad a hond. A cha neomíad a chluich hast.
Half the army's already in Tamworth, and we've now got help from the south. It's our lot to look after this place now.
Okay. Oh. Is mention go bhfuil flight rianú feiscear live. Dalianú sábhaigh bic mas deam me sin. Okay.
I've heard all Danes are cursed with slow brains and fat tongues. Care to prove me wrong?
Most men choose to be loud or stupid. Impressed that you manage both. I will take you on.
Brilliant. Some flighting spirit. How about a wager?
Here,
Charlotte.
Thank you.
let us begin.
I have sparred against champions and bested each one.
Oh, to beat such a braggart will surely be fun.
Ah, quick to bite back. Careful, young Earth.
Young
You're a
Earth.
misfit, a half-wit, a foolish old grouse.
You're a weakling, a milksop, a catcher, a louse.
Brilliant. I'm the greatest of flighters, a master of verse.
Your pride is appalling, and your rhyming is worse.
Got you there,
Sphere Hallam Godrich.
I'm impressed. You are as sharp as that axe on your belt.
As promised, I will have my winnings now.
Take the
Jefferson versus Hamilton. Should feed. Aye. Where's my increased? Okay. Flight pick Ile. Young Ulf. Yeah, still am a Godrich and a hin maar a hype man. Ik a G's Jackie nu. Get that. Sin get adage. Brin ri upa.
Sail southeast. Bring the men to the gates of Tamworth. We'll flood the fields, and Burgred shall... Eivor, is your axe sharpened?
I'm ready for the spear din.
Oh.
Thunder of shields, yes. It's good to have you with us.
To fight beside such legends is an honor. I've only heard tales of your conquests. Now I get to live them.
We'll weave our sagas together. Thread upon thread.
Come on, boy. We'll forge a man from your softness, hammered on the anvil of
Does
war.
not need to fight to be a...
Move! Move!
Calm, Ivar. The fight's not here.
Aye. The fight is nowhere to be found in this boy.
The boy who happens to be Gelwolf's son. Why is he not in his quarters?
Our future king wants a battle-hardened heir. Time he proves his worth, don't you think?
Throwing a boy who stinks of fear to a pack of wolves is not the best way to train him. Are you sure that's what Ceolwulf wants?
He left it open for interpretation.
Ivar!
He comes with us. And should anything happen to this little sprout, I will bear the punishment our future king inflicts.
He'll want to remove your head.
Haha, you hear that, boy? You die, and I'll have to kill your father too.
Either Girach, yeah.
Mount up,
Not that you
it's a long ride to Tamworth.
trickster ham. Well, I must mention, you could give me a Anna Tamworth, but how? Pale Cavill Tamworth. She is on a hen. Okay, hitching the sash gate. Aye. Aye, ha. Cuach nu ra urakam. A chieshoot nu de rickus sin blad it hurricane. Tamworth Fortress. Oh, Shoshin. Ach, fé mé fine as Nadia seo must chill me hiike. Sin dal taobh sin. Mar éis an pled, bu mi níos genú ról rólacha be an nuair a ruchas mí talú agus go bhí mi haast gáist a chinne le buacha gáist. Mí cael an nuachas sláintis. Hi. Mis weet ik wel het heen er tuif ele het doen. So reach in your fall off. Okay, shouldn't have shot. Wel haar kaartje. Nou, en
Be my eyes.
Okay. Shoshin.
Look at these pagan rats. Ravenous, unseemly beasts teeming over holy ground.
Have a care, Lord. These pagan rats outnumber us.
I can see that, fool. What do we do about them?
I advise we strongly consider their demands, Lord. We won't survive a fight.
Is that you, Leofrid? How quickly you recover! I'm beginning to wonder if it is a man or a god beneath all that armor.
Oh, woof.
A man of God stands before you, Eva. Proud and resolute.
Okay.
That's Burger's fourth aim. Killed a dozen of our men in an ambush along the River Trent. It was Ivar's ex that stopped him.
That is a poor description of a perfect 30-yard toss.
Enough jawing, heathens! Speak your peace!
We've come for your crown, Lord.
With or without your head attached.
I admire your ambition, pagan. But what you ask is impossible. No Dane ever has or ever will occupy Mercia's sacred throne.
The Ragnar sons are the least of your worries, Pàirt. The Raven clan now sits upon your southern border.
And who might you be?
Eivor of the Raven clan, here with Sigurd Jarl. We are friends to these men, and foes to you.
Well, you've chosen your friends poorly. Now that's to be expected of a low-born Dane.
My king, may I suggest a more measured approach to this?
I grow weary of this palaver. Trampled our lands, toppled our monuments. We've given you silver, fed your people. And yet in spite of all this, your encroachment on my kingdom continues. No more! We will die defending what is ours, whatsoever the cost.
Well, burn your bass.
Want my crown, Uber Ragnarsson? You must
Monty Python, yeah, I shouldn't have had ages mentioned.
man the walls!
Your father was a guinea pig and your mother smelt of elderberries.
Round up the men. We're taking Tamworth tonight.
Scania.
Eivor, tell the captain we're ready to march. Ivar and I will round up the men. You know your way around a battering ram.
I've seen them in action.
Battering ram. Ha mi had more an acquainting can be battering rams na sa game ha seo. So mi gen a few reckon na sin callach. Ha cat at the reality of a slia a veen a gal san avish and a game Assassin's Creed Levy is got Shalta and your battering ram over the clean Shalta. Ach, Kishin.
Rattling skulls? Rattle
Who are you? I'm with the Renaissance. It's time to roll out the battering ram.
Birgrid wanted to fight. Now we'll give him one. Are you ready to march now?
Let's go.
Shashin.
Time to capture a kingdom.
Balach.
What are we going to do about him?
Jailbeth. Something wrong.
I know these men, Abel. I've supped with them. Not 2 weeks ago, Leofrith showed me how to wield a greatsword. He's a friend.
Friendships end, often at the point of a spear.
He cannot be that cold. Least of all with Leofrith. He is only following orders.
When the march begins, find an empty tent and stay there.
Do not think me a coward. I am not afraid of war. I do not want to kill my friends.
There's no other way. Fight or hide. It's up to you.
Love. Averys acum go bí éver anna, so you mar sin ráhéirigh I game. Okay. Oh. Tamworth Fortress. Okay.
Destroy the gate!
Slaughter the soldiers. Leave the king to me. Arrows incoming!
Let's go!
Arrows coming!
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, really geisha go Jacob pat the dash that caracum. Dito. Shouldn't have shat. Okay. Don't you give a lack of this? That's in here. Okay. Machine.
Push through! Push through!
Leave them no place to hide.
Okay.
The path is blocked! Must destroy that barricade!
Give me an emission. Well, I can be. Yeah. Shine of this.
With me! For order!
Okay. Oof. Ja, sin go go dtí gaiith sa ddíireach crunaí anúhar mat san chéisiú seo dhéana. Ach, chuir go éis seo Ganneam. Agus tá é le hín ach chuidir sin easta chuit déna deneoinethe seo dá seach.
Protect
Pick
the ram!
the ram.
Let's hit them hard!
Machine. Ash agus the dirt. Agus mention go big seo spársal is a go anna multiplayer is trúig anna dáid nach sin ag céime seo. Agus mention go big sin les spársal san na blad an móda mar seo. Mis mention gan de díach Ubisoft multiplayer agus Assassin's Creed chur cála Gadash le Assassin's Creed Unity bhean agus well chanéal mór an gen bheach gur Joe game Assassin's Creed a sin so Sfíor hallam ruúd a se cuach a se okay Cabell na helít a se Sus an hinnach. Okay. Het fell van Vlad began. Oh. Through sin. Right. Cavelat. Sus an hin. Maatje aan. Oh. Okay. Daniela Mongorge. We spent you can change me in. Oh, of. Okay. Yep. Okay, how's it achieved? En aan Cheshire. Agus Niachela.
The Lord is my strength.
Well. Chanéal an Xbox Series X acum Black Schnauzer ha Xbox a hun acum Xbox a hun S chanéal Xbox Series X ha chrich me woohoo gum find me Xbox Series X PS a quick son you bliana draasta ha PC acum ha Joe PC acum agus huair mi a hiún mias huair mi Switch cajach so leis sé daú sin ha mi tucht a draasta ach mi déanna fiúid éicin na níat leis an Xbox agus leis PS quick go háirid gemicin mar Elden Ring agus ruta mar sin.
See what you can find. I'll send for Chaelwolf. Tell him we found a throne